Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. ChatGPT has been the king of AI since 2022, but in 2025, a new contender has entered the ring, Perplexity AI. Which one is smarter, faster, more useful? Today, we compare Perplexity versus ChatGPT and help you decide which one fits your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, let's look at the interfaces of both the AIs. First one, ChatGPT. ChatGPT offers a clean chat UI with options like GPT-4, Turbo, Memory, and custom instructions. Now let's see about Perplexity. Perplexity looks more like a search engine, but acts like a chatbot. It shows real-time results with links to sources. Now let's test both the AIs with same prompt and see how they generates the response. First, let's enter a prompt in ChatGPT. I'm typing, "What are the top 3 electric cars in 2025?" Now let's see what it generates. ChatGPT is better at creative writing, coding, logic-based tasks, and long-form generation. Now, it's turn for Perplexity. Again, I'm entering the same prompt here. Let's wait for its response. Perplexity shines at real-time research with citations and links, perfect for factual questions and summaries. Let's talk about some features now. First, let's see some features about ChatGPT. It offers image generation, file uploads and analysis, memory, plugins and GPTs. Now let's see about Perplexity. It offers real-time search, PDF article summarization, a co-pilot mode for guided research, fast source-based answers. Let's discuss about the most important topic, speed and pricing. Yes, speed matters too. ChatGPT with GPT-4 can be a bit slower, especially for longer outputs, while Perplexity is lightning fast for short answers. Pricing ? ChatGPT Plus costs $20 per month. Meanwhile, Perplexity offers most features for free, with a pro version at $20 per month for advanced models like GPT-4. Finally, let's see which AI is best for which work. Use ChatGPT if you're a writer, coder, creative, or want AI memory. Use Perplexity if you're a researcher, student, or just want fast, factual info with links. Honestly, use both. They complement each other perfectly. So, ChatGPT or Perplexity? Let me know in the comments what you use more. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.